The United States of America, often referred to as the USA, is a vast and diverse country located in North America. Known for its rich history, cultural melting pot, and economic power, the USA is a nation that has greatly influenced global politics, economics, and popular culture. Geographically, the country spans from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean, with a varied landscape that includes mountains, plains, deserts, and coastlines. From the iconic Statue of Liberty in New York, the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, the USA is home to many landmarks that are recognized worldwide. One of the defining features of the United States is its commitment to democracy. The U.S. Constitution, adopted in 1787, established the framework for the federal government, emphasizing principles such as separation of powers, checks and balances, and individual rights. The USA is also known for its cultural diversity, shaped by waves of immigration from different parts of the world. This diversity is reflected in the country's cuisine, music, art, and traditions. From Hollywood movies to jazz music, the cultural output of the USA has had a significant global impact. Economically, the United States is one of the largest and most influential players on the world stage. With a highly developed and diverse economy, the USA is a hub for innovation, technology, and finance. Major cities like New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago are not only economic centers but also cultural hubs that attract people from around the globe. While the USA has achieved great success and prosperity, it also faces its share of challenges. Issues such as social inequality, political polarization, and environmental concerns are subjects of ongoing debate and activism. In summary, the United States is a nation of contrasts and complexities, a place where the old and the new, tradition and innovation coexist. Its impact on the world, whether through politics, culture, or economics, is undeniable, making it a fascinating subject of study and a country that continues to shape the course of global history.